Hey, what's up guys, Dragolisco here, your favorite dragon artist, or at least I hope to be it one day. Welcome to my YouTube channel in English. You know that I'm Spanish and, well, I apologize if my English is not fluent. That's what happens when you open a YouTube channel in a language that is not your mother language. Anyway, in this channel you're gonna find drawing and painting tutorials, digital, and as an opening reward for you guys, you will be able to send me one of your pictures, your best picture, okay? Just one per person to the email below, and I will make a selection among them, and I will post a video correcting and giving feedback and tips to it. Do you like the idea? Then send me your best picture. Guys, thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next video.